this video, I'm going to teach you how to change RAM speed in BIOS Lenovo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the RAM speeds on any Lenovo device that you have. To do this, you will have to access the BIOS, obviously, and in there you will see all of the options related to the memory speeds. So, first, go into the BIOS and you have to access the Advanced tab. If by default you don't have access to this category, then you will have to check the manual on your particular model to see how to enable it. Different models will have different settings or setups required to access this tab, so make sure that you check the manual to see how to access the Advanced category for your model. Now, inside of Advanced, look for Memory Setup, and here you will be able to change the values. So by default, Memory Profile will not have any modifications, so you will see the rated speeds here, the frequency, and all other timings. All that you have to do is change any of these options here, so DRAM frequency, TCL, latency, and so on. For this video, I'm not going to go too in depth about how to change these and what each value is going to determine, but all that you have to do is click on either of these drop-down menus or click on these input fields and then enter the value. If you don't know what you are doing, I wouldn't recommend doing this. You can potentially make your PC extremely unstable, so I would highly recommend just leaving this on default unless you are comfortable changing these values. Changing the DRAM frequency should be okay, so use the drop-down menu and select whichever value you would like to use. For most of these systems, the RAM should be on its advertised speed, so look for any setting related to DRAM frequency and change it safely from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change RAM speed in BIOS Lenovo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.